it was a big nightmare for us to reconcile the information we were getting from the customer.
Quality issues has been the biggest problem in the BPO industry.
We were always trying to change our requirement to the custom software specifications.
We had burned our fingers with higher ranged products as well.
The calls used to come to a dedicated line, and there were calls which got missed, and we could not even track the number of calls which were coming in, nor we could analyze the amount of time a customer is speaking, or the normal recording per se, which could be in a structured manner where we could visualize what the customer is talking.
Banks, insurance, telcos, they're very, very competitive markets. And the differentiation is customer service or customer interaction.
And imagine a person, an agent, talking on 3 phones.
The technology are available, but the cost involved in procuring a technology, implementing it, and then managing it, maintaining it, and then doing a small change is out of their budget.
The incumbent players in the market, they were bringing boxes, and those had features which customer had to use to tailor his business.
And we just want to change that. We want that technology should be affordable to almost all.
We twisted the approach. We said, you tell us what you want. You tell us how your business runs. We will not tell you how your business should run. And our solution will adapt to that.
Technology has to work the way the customers need them.
Today I might be developing a contact center suite. Tomorrow I might require a conferencing solution. Day after I might require something which is more of a workflow kind of a thing.
One problem was how we can obtain the necessity of communication world into the enterprise framework.
Challenge before us was that even without knowing some of the problems that we are going to face, we should have a platform that can cater to those requirements without understanding those requirements.
So we could do that because we were innovating and we had all that clean room implementations. So no legacy stuff there.
The philosophy was not to create a monolithic large framework or application which will go obsolete and that will have a lifetime of its own.
So it had to be a platform that can fit into various verticals, that can fit into various segments, that can fit into various interaction processes.
It is something that is being done for the first time. It is something that is even thought about for the first time.
The solution can be easily, quickly and economically deployed because ours is a one-box solution.
Value for money for the price we pay, and also the comfort you get in getting it installed and configuring it, customizing. It's end-to-end. I must say it is a complete package for us.
Ameo is actually a derivative of a Sanskrit word Amey, that means boundless.
When customers come to us, we actually are able to plan that, okay, this part of the problem will be solved by a CRM, and this part of the problem will be solved by the IVR, and this part of the problem will be solved by the product or ticketing system.
And that is why we call it Ameo. So it's flexible, it's fluid, it adapts to what business requires today rather than telling how business should be run.
Ameo had that functionality where they could change it based on our requirements, and they were also forthcoming to understand the business the way we look at it.
The solution has been able to scale across multiple lines of businesses.
Ameo did not happen overnight for us.
A lot of research gone behind it, a lot of thoughts gone behind it.
It is built from scratch and is future proof.
And within 3 years we are able to cover up a legacy of 30 years of who's who in the world.
It's not magic. It's pure engineering and computer science and the research that we have put behind it.
We surprise our customer with our speed, quality and efficiency.
My competition companies will take months to deliver such things, and we do it in days.
And the customers come to us and say, we want to implement newer processes faster than the other guys. How do we do it?
And in this tough competition, if good technology can come at a good price, nothing better than that.
Today, if I talk about Drishti, I have more than 1,000 installations spread across 30 countries.
As an organization, we have already got 1,000+ clients, over 50,000 seats all across the country.
Our customers range from a normal outbound call center to enterprise communication solutions.
We are the only Asian company to have won the TMC Net Innovation Award for contact center applications thrice in the last 5 years.
Amio is like a baby. We live with it, we sleep with it, and it's just like our life.
Drishti means vision. So the only thing when we started this company we had was a vision.
We value ownership and passion as the two key elements.
And here, we eat and drink the vision of the company every day.
Drishti is an eye for perfection.
Our business grew after Amio was implemented in our system.
It's been an advantage of having Drishti with us in terms of revenue.
The telephony plays a very big role, and we are glad we chose Drishti.